In front of me is a ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, let's open up the Files app. So in here it's called File Manager. And when you tap on it, on the bottom you should see the two storages, so you have the phone and the SD card. Now I believe I took a couple of photos as an example, so I have something to transfer, and I think they're gonna be on the, there's a bunch of them here. So that should work good enough. So key thing to keep in mind, photos, videos that were captured with the phone itself will be always located in the TCIM folder, while pictures somewhere below, there we go, pictures right here, will contain screenshots, and I believe this is empty at the moment, but you can find screenshots in there. And then you have also download folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded through a web browser or email, stuff like that. So that could be pictures as well, that could be screenshots in there, depending like where you downloaded them. It's gonna be in here. And then other folders like movies, music, have files there that you have placed there yourself, so you probably know where they are. Now for me, like I said, I'm gonna use the photos here that are like several captured ones as an example. So to get started, you want to select the files that you wish to transfer by simply holding it, and then it gives you that check mark, and then you can simply add additional ones like so. You can also select them all easily by tapping on the three dots and selecting all here, and this will select every file in the folder right here. And then you can deselect, for instance, the ones that you don't want like so, or you can also go back, and as you have the camera folder with all the 20 photos in there, you can just select the entire folder along with all of its content. Now whichever way you do it, whichever way you select it, doesn't really matter. Whichever one works for you, that's basically what's most important. So once you have selected your desired files, folders, whatever it is, tap on the three dots, and here you have the two options. So you have the move and copy. So choose the one that you want. Copy will just make additional set of the same files and just add them to a new location, while move will remove them from where they are right now. So I'm gonna select move, and from there I wanna go back to the storage devices by tapping on the blue text in here, and then going to SD card, because the original files are right now located on the phone. And I could simply go into the DCIM right here and drop it, or replace this folder that exists here, or I can just drop it wherever I am. So right now this is the main SD card location, so I'm gonna paste it right in here, and it's almost done. Okay, there we go. So we're still in the SD card, so there should be a camera folder, there it is, and those are all the 20 files that were in there. And if I go back to the phone itself, where the files originated from, you can see that there is no more camera folder in here, because I moved it. And that is how you would move, copy, transfer any kind of file from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.